What are you doing for Valentine's Day? Hey, Cece Cheney here, and today I'm sharing 4 fun and active date ideas for Valentine's Day because let's face it, we want to have as much time as we can with the people that we love, and being healthy and fit is important if you want to sustain the amount of time you have together, right? So I thought this would be a perfect topic as we're leading into Valentine's Day weekend and you're coming up with ideas on what you can do. But I'd love to hear what's your go-to plan for Valentine's Day. I am not someone who likes to fight crowds, to go to restaurants and movies and things like that where it's going to be crowded because of the whole it's a holiday thing. So I like to do different things. Okay, so let's talk about some fun and active things that you and your partner can do for Valentine's Day. So first, and I actually found a list. It was like 101 active date ideas. So I'm only sharing 4 with you. If these 4 do not work for you and you want some other ideas, shoot me a message. I'll send them your way, okay? So number 1, indoor rock climbing. Let me know if you've ever done this before. When I was at Baylor, we had a rock. I was like super scared to do it for some reason. I would do it now though, right? So the article that I was reading this morning said, it was like a fun and adventurous thing that you guys can do together. If you have like a competitive spirit, you guys can take time it and see who wins. So there's different things that you can do with that to make it fun, depending on you and your relationship dynamics. Number 2, and I really like this one. Number 2 is take a dance class together. Let me know if this is something that you would ever do with your partner. Jason and I have not taken dance classes together. He was taking dance classes a few months ago though, which is pretty hilarious. So there's all kinds of options that you can do. You can do ballroom, you can do salsa. I mean, there's a ton of things that you can do. But I do think that this could be a fun Valentine's Day, especially if you choose something that's a little, romantic or sexy or cool. So let me know if this is something that you've ever done. I was letting Jason do his own thing because he's nervous to dance, right? He sort of has that whole machismo thing, like guys aren't supposed to dance. So he was trying to turn that around. So he started going to classes, which I think is pretty cool. But doing a couples one I think would be kind of fun. So maybe we'll look into that. Number 3. Okay, so I keep forgetting that it's winter for you guys. Then I see pictures of snow and cold, and I don't know how you manage that. So this, the article is saying you can embrace winter and do some fun winter things like ice skating or snow tubing or snowshoeing. I have no idea what snowshoeing is, but snow tubing sounded like a heck of a lot of fun, right? So they said if you snow tube, make sure that you walk up the trail or whatever first so you get a little bit of exercise because the tubing is kind of like you lay. But that could be a really fun way to embrace the winter weather, but still have something fun and fun to do. They also kind of joke hey, if you go out in the snow, if you go out in the cold, then you kind of earn that hot cocoa and earn that, cuddle time. So that might be something fun. And number 4, and I really like this one, is do a run or walk together. So maybe there's a 5K in your area. A lot of people, a lot of organizations do Valentine's themed 5K. So maybe there's a 5K in your area. And this is kind of cool because maybe there is a cause that's really special to your partner. Maybe there's someone in their life who's been touched by an illness or disease, and you can, participate in the walk and bring awareness. And that's like a very thoughtful gift that most people wouldn't think about. Hey, we're going to go walk. We're going to take care of our health together, and we're going to support this cause that means something to you. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like I said, the article that one of the articles I looked at today had 101 different ideas. So if you're thinking, okay, I've got my juices flowing, I want to try something, but you want some other ideas, shoot me a message. I'll get that over to you. Otherwise, I look forward to chatting with you soon. Ciao.